Good evening, everyone. Am I audible to you? Please confirm. Please confirm in the chat box. Welcome to one and all to this session of QAT PG Prarambh Series. Today is the introductory session where you're going to know a lot of details about what this course is all about. And my PPT is also visible to you, isn't it? Okay, great. So let's begin without any delay. I'll be giving you an introduction about what is QET, what is this exam, the details of the exams, the topics which we are going to teach in this series, and also some details about the classes. So I hope you have all your notes, pen, paper, so that you can note down the important details. Let's start. What is QET PG? Well, it is Common Entrance Exam Test for admission for PG program. This exam will get you into postgraduate programs in 42 central and other participating universities for the academic session 2022-23 under the Ministry of Education. This test will provide a common platform and equal opportunity to all candidates across the country, especially those from rural or from remote areas, and help establish better connect with the universities. A single application form will enable the candidates to cover a wide reach to the various central and participating universities and become a part of their admission process. This is a national level test, yes, a prestigious one, and NTA has been assigned the task of conducting QAT PG 2022 for this session. So, this NTA, as you know, CSIR is also conducted by NTA, so that you will get different admissions to different programs to all the universities I'm going to show you. So, basically, it's a single window opportunity for all students who are seeking admission in these courses. Let's look some of the exam details. So, what is the mode of exam over here? The mode of exam is computer based test mode. Okay, that is, you will be getting a system when you are entering the exam hall and you have to answer on the screen. Okay, what is the medium of question paper for this QAT PG? So, please note this is for PG. There is QAT UG also. Now, this is for the undergraduate students who are going to take admission in PG. You will get English and in Hindi bilingual, except for language and Sahitya papers also. Okay, so there are a lot of subjects actually in QET PG, including everything: commerce, arts, computers, everything, science. So we'll just focus on what is on our domain, right? And what is the mode of application? It will be submitted through online mode only, and that too on their website. You can check this website, qet.nta.nic.in. This is the official website. The application form other than online mode will not be accepted. Any other modes. Note down some important dates. So, what is the duration of online registration and submission of application form for QAT PG? Well, it begin from 19th May 2022 and till 18th June 2022 up to 5 p.m. And the last day for fee transaction for QAT PG, it was until 19th June. And the corrections in the particulars of application form on website, it will be, it was till 20th to 22nd June. Now, date of exam, it is to be announced later through website. So you have to check on the website, the official website which I mentioned, you have to check on that. Okay. I would also like everyone to join our Telegram group, Biotecnika Telegram group. You can use this link, https://biotecnika, and you can also download the Biotecnika app. Few of you are already viewing, most of you, in fact, our YouTube channel subscribers. So most of them are already in the app. Those who aren't, you can download the app. You will get many notifications and many type of instructions which are important for your career. Okay. So let's look at what is the exam pattern, the question paper pattern. And as I mentioned, you have to fill up the application form through online mode. The details you can download the information bulletin and the replica of the application form. You have to read it carefully to ensure your eligibility. I'll also discuss a few. And you have to follow the steps which are given in that application. So what is the question paper pattern? The duration is only 2 hours. Okay, that is shift 1 and shift 2. Shift 1 means all the subjects of QAT PG will be conducted in several days, including 2 shift of exams. So your subject may fall into any of these: 10 a.m. to 12 noon and 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. What are the type of questions that will come? Multiple choice. You will be getting 4 options and you have to select one correct answer out of that. The number of questions will be 100. Total 100 questions, and those 100 questions will be divided into 2 parts: Part A and Part B. Part A, what will be the type of questions? You will get total 25 questions in that. It will consist of language comprehension, verbal ability, general awareness, mathematical, quantitative ability, and analytical skills. So basically, general aptitude questions, which you need practice for. And part B, it will be knowledge domains, the domain knowledge questions. Those questions will be 75. So as you can see, this carries a lot of weightage. That's why whatever is your subject that you're appearing for, you have to prepare it well. Okay. Then marking scheme. For every correct answer, for each question correct answer, you will be getting 4 marks. For each correct response, candidate will get 4 marks if you are attempting. But if you are giving incorrect response, 1 mark will be deducted from the total score. So you have to be careful for that. That means you have to mark only what you are sure of, right? No, Pallavi, this is only for writing the means getting admission to the PG exams, PG courses, post graduation courses. For PhD, you have to appear for either CSIR or GATE, and multiple such other competitive exams are there. Now, if you have any unanswered question or unattempted question, then you will be not given any marks for that. And to answer the question, candidate needs to choose only one option as the correct answer. So MSQs are not there, multiple select are not there. So only one option will be correct. And later, when there is a challenge of the answer key, in case there are any multiple correct options or change in the key, then all those candidates who have attempted that question will be given full marks, 4 marks. And in case a question is dropped due to some technical error, then also full marks will be given to the candidate, irrespective of the fact if you have attempted it or not. You will be given the full marks for that. Let's look at the exam fee. Now in India, it is 800 for general category. Now this is for the test papers, like you can appear for 3 test papers. 3 subjects you can appear for. Okay. So for each you have to pay 800, means one you have to pay 800, and for any additional test paper that you are applying, you have to pay 200 for general. For OBC, general EWS 600 and 150. SCST, third gender, 550 and 150 for additional papers. Same for PWBD. And if it is for application fee outside India, then it will be 4,000. And for every additional paper, it will be 1,000. Fees you can pay through SBI, Canara Bank, HDFC, ICICI, Gateways. So all the payment modes they accept: debit card, credit card. Anyways, this process might be already over with you. And what are the application instructions? That is 3 test papers you can apply for by paying required amount of application fee, and further by additional payment you can apply. And candidates should apply only one course in a slot. So whatever they have given the days in slots, You can apply for only one course, and you must read the information bulletin carefully before going for the exam. Okay, so candidates has to choose English or Hindi for the general papers. What about the eligibility? Like who can write this exam? Well, there is no age limit, upper age limit for applying QAT PG. No upper age limit will be there. But yes, the candidates will be required to fulfill the age criteria of the university with which they are desiring to take admission. So you are applying to a particular university, you have appeared for QAT PG exam, fine. But then that university, while taking admission, it might have its own criteria, age criteria. So you have to fulfill that, okay? And candidates who have passed the bachelor's degree, equivalent examination or appearing in 2022, irrespective of their age. So here age factor doesn't even matter. If you are, if you have passed or you are appearing 2022, you can easily apply. So because there is no upper age limit, right? So that will be announced with Vesha. It will be announced very soon. We have to keep checking on the website. No, Nutan, this is a common platform for this exam. This exam is for entering into any stream of science. Yes, you have several, I'll discuss in under life sciences, you have several subjects, okay? Apart from that, separately, you have botany, chemistry, physics, mathematics, zoology, environmental science, forensic science. Many such sciences are there. It's just that now it is a common platform. Okay? For different universities, it's a common platform. So I'll just discuss what are the eligibility qualifications. Right? Now there are a lot of subjects to be discussed. I can't show you each and every category, but you will find this in the notification on their official website. So whoever wish to appear, you should read the eligibility criteria of the university for selecting the options for PG programs being offered. So our subject of concern is, this is the paper code PGQP 22. Under this, there are a lot of subjects: molecular biology, biotechnology, life science, microbiology. Like you will get admission to all of these. So, see, this is what you are appearing for, means the admission for MSc. Question paper pattern is same only, what I already mentioned, that is 25 plus 75. And this is whichever university they are taking. So, for example, this is Andhra Pradesh, tribal Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, right? So different universities have different criteria. You need to see that whichever you are interested in, whichever central university or whichever university you're interested in to join, you have to check that university's criteria. I just told you here, I am just showing you here to inform you about this, but later you can check on the details. It is there on the website itself. So see, biotechnology, it's not that biotechnology and microbiology only once it is there. So different universities. Like for example, you have microbiology in Central University, Haryana. Then you have microbiology in Central University, Punjab. Okay, if you want to take admission in MSc over there. So individual, all the eligibility universities, it is given in annexure at the end of the official notification. You all can check wherever you are present, wherever you want to join. So you have to check that university eligibility. Okay, please note this is not the syllabus. It's not that under this paper code these are the syllabus which you have to appear for. No, PGQP 22 has a common syllabus. Under this, all this will come. Means all these subjects will come. Okay, so PGQP 22 is for life sciences. Overall, it is for life sciences, but it is going to cover all these domain subjects, and it is a common exam for admission to all these subjects. I hope you are getting it, all of you. Am I making things clear to you? Are you following? So, do you want to know more about the QAT Prarambh series? If yes, type BIO, bring it on in your chat boxes so that I understand you all are paying attention. Yes, so these are important details as we are going to start the sessions, classes very soon. Right? So this is just the introductory session. The classes of the topics are going to follow after this. Okay, I'll also let you know when it is going to start. So application, so you have to just check what are the qualifications for the universities. You can check in that one, detailed notification. Now, how is the admissions given? If you want to check the admissions, then how are they given? It will be handled at the level of each of the participating university for their respective program. If you simply clear the exam, it doesn't give you the authority that you will get the admission. Okay, QAT is just an entrance ticket. So then the universities will have their own admission process. After declaration of the results, the respective universities will declare the counseling and admission schedule and merit list based on QAT 2022 score, like what cutoff they are accepting and all that. And also any other criteria if it is there for participating universities. So qualified candidates, they must check the website of the concerned university for details. There will be also the admission, online admission counseling for some universities with the additional fees as well. Okay. So we really cannot comment on the date, Jasnoor and Swagatika, because all this time it was QSET which was happening. This is the first time that QET PG will happen. So we can't really tell on the basis of previous exams. Okay. Tell me, Ria, what is your doubt? I haven't received your doubt in the chat box. If you can post your doubt once again. Yes, definitely, Chetna. I am coming towards the syllabus only. Now, these are all the participating universities, okay? Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Banaras Hindu University. So, let me make it clear that whoever wants to take admission in any of these, they can appear for QET PG exam. If you clear it, you have to check like these all are taking under which courses. You have to check that, right? And if you join our Telegram group, you will continuously get many details. You can get many updates on the PG exam, like dates and all you're asking for. No, even free notes, PDFs, you will get time to time. Now, Nikita, again, this is the first time QAT PG is happening, and the cutoff merit-based cutoff score they are going to release it later only. So we can't really comment on this one. What will be the qualifying marks, right? So we have to try to score as much as possible, try to get minimum of negative marks, right? And on which basis admission will be given? Saloni, it will be, the universities will be releasing a cutoff marks. Like if you have qualified the QET with this cutoff, then they will call you for the counseling and admission process. So every university will have their own criteria of application. Once you fulfill that, then you will be called for counseling admission, and they will like if you clear everything, if your status is cleared, then they will admit you for the particular course. Okay. So again, these all, yes, Ria, I am not getting your question, Ria. I am ready to tell, but you have to let me know what you want to know. If you don't let me know, then how will I be able to tell the answer what you're looking for? No, Shri, this is not for PhD, this is for PG exam, postgraduate admissions, okay? So, yeah, here you have Andhra Pradesh, Central University, Tribal University, South Bihar, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Jammu. Then we have Kerala, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, and also we have the means this is in Amarkantak, and along with that we also have GNTU, that is Regional Center in Manipur. Okay. Then Hari Singh Gaur Vishwavidyalay, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalay, Hemwati Nandan, JNU is also there in this one. Mahatma Gandhi Antarashtriya Hindi Vishwavidyalay, Manipur University, okay, Northeastern Hill University, Pondicherry, Apex University, Rajasthan, Sikkim University. So as you can see, it is giving you a common platform, right? It's showing Telegram channel isn't available. I'll be showing you the link once again. Okay, I'll be displaying the link once again at the end of this session. So you can just try again. Fine. Tejpur, Tripura, University of Hyderabad, B.R. Ambedkar, National Sanskrit, Central Sanskrit, Mahatma Gandhi, and also Madan Mohan Malviya University, National Rail and Transport, APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Devi Ahilya, Sardar Patel University, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute. So as you can see over here, you have lot of universities participating, and one common QAT PG exam is going to give the details, the admission to these things, right? So students, the you were looking for the Telegram link, no? It is already there in the chat box. So you can just click on that link. Biotecnika has just given the Telegram link to you. Please click on those and you will be able to join it. If not, you can just clear the cache memory of your phone and try once again, or restart and try again later. But you will be able to join with this link with itself. Okay. Question paper code for MSc Biotechnology. It is PGQP 22 are free. So I showed you all the subjects to which you can get admission now. For all that, it is PGQP 22, which we are going to deal with. So the application, it was supposed to be from the website itself, registration for QAT PG 2022. And like this application form, application number, password. So please note down, this is the official website, okay? nta.nic.in, qat.nta.nic.in. So here itself you will get the admit card, even the dates will be announced. But even Biotecnika will announce the dates once it is announced. It will release it in the newsletter, official newsletter. Okay. Okay, Nutan, you are able to join Telegram. That's very good. Okay. Yeah. So specific book means they are. I'll come to the syllabus. You will get to know, and we are also conducting the sessions for life science courses, and you will get to know the books there itself. We will suggest you some books. Okay. Ria, my dear, I am not getting your question. Trust me. You have to type your question. If you are asking me the question, I'm not able to hear. I am ready to respond. See, I'm responding to you. Please type your question so that I can answer your doubt. So, Biotecnika proudly presents QAT PG Prarambh Series. Right? This is a series in which we will be giving you classes about the QAT PG exam. Right? Please note down the important details. Our classes will be held on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. And the timings of classes will start from 7 and it will go for 2 hours. Okay, classes will be held on classes. Right from the beginning, we are dealing with every unit of the syllabus. That is whichever we are teaching. So subject code that will be taught in classes of PG QAT PG Prarambh series. It is PGQP 22. Kindly note this is the life sciences. Okay. So Manav, when we are discussing the classes, no, in the classes where we will be talking about these life science courses topics, there itself we will be discussing questions there after the classes. Once we teach you, we will be discussing some sample questions from previous year question paper, that is from QSET PG question papers. Okay. You can try restarting Swagatika once again if it is not working. Others are able to follow. Am I clearly audible and my PPT is visible to all of you? Please confirm. As some student is facing problems, I just want to confirm you all are able to hear me, right? So the days over here, the classes will be held on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. And the timing of classes will be 7 to 8 p.m. Okay. And the subject code will be life sciences. Okay, I think my voice is fine for others. Just check whoever is facing problem. Maybe it is with the internet connection. Now this is for life sciences. Okay, these all, if you want to take admission, MSc, MTech, PG Diploma, in any of these subjects, then you have to appear for this PGQP 22. Okay, Saloni, is it clear now? Because for others, they are saying it is fine. Yes, hello, Arab. We are talking about QAT PG introductory session over here. Classes will be following after today's session. Our classes are going to follow Mondays, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, Saloni, are you able to hear me now? Now, for all these subjects, life science, botany, zoology, molecular biology, biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, molecular medicine, biodiversity. So note down, whoever wants to take admission in these subjects, whether it is an MSc, MTech or PG diploma, in any of the subjects you can apply. So for that you have to appear for PGQP 22. That's what we are going to teach in our classes. Okay. So let's talk about the syllabus for PGQP 22. And Sharma Leena, yes, we will be providing you the material, what we are teaching in class. But mock tests, we haven't decided on that yet. We'll see. Okay. So as of now, it's just the classes that we are giving you, right? And Pratyusha, if PPT is not clear, you can just try restarting once. And one more thing I would like to mention over here. Some students are asking me that separately there are some paper codes for pharmacology. So pharmacology paper code is 24, then chemistry it's there 25, food science technology 31, EVS 32, horticulture 33, separately biochemistry 74. So if anyone is wanting to get admission in biochemistry, they can apply for this paper also, then this paper also. It's like that. Okay. Then 75 zoology, 76 botany, 77 anthropology. So it's not that botany over here is exclusive. Yes, through this also you will get admission to botany, and from 76 also you will get admission to botany. But this is specifically botany. But in PGQP, you are appearing for life science. So their syllabus will be mixed. Okay, you will get many different subjects in that, in question paper. But if you're appearing for 76, let's say for botany, then you will only be getting botany questions. I hope the question is clear now, right? Answer is clear. Arab, got it? So 74, it's biochemistry. You will be getting biochemistry questions only in this particular question paper code. Okay, but then in this question paper, you will get all mixed up subjects, which I'm going to discuss now, the syllabus, right? No, Afri. This is the only one which is covering biotechnology because it's life sciences. Okay, pure biochemistry is there, but botany, chemistry, all that is there. But biotechnology, this is the only one. Fine. And recorded versions will be there in the app. Yes, Vidya. So that's why I'm telling you, all of you, you can download the app and also join Telegram group so that you can get all the notifications. Now these are the topics which will be taught in classes. It will be taught in class. Techniques, principles and applications of chromatography, and this is only your syllabus for life science PGQP 22. So if anyone wants admission in all those subjects, you have to prepare these topics. Microscopy, electrophoresis, centrifugation, blotting, PCR, radio, isotope techniques. So you have to mainly focus on the principle, the working function, and the applications. How these techniques work. So since you are in undergraduate level only, so that means you don't have to go into too much of research applications, the basic applications and the basic functioning. But yeah, it is in detail. It's not that it is superficial information, because when we discuss the questions with you, you will get to know that they are asking for finer details also. Okay, so you need to prepare accordingly. But don't worry, we are here to help you. That's why we are giving you these classes. You can take use of this, attend judiciously and with dedication. You can check the schedule on our Biotecnika site so that you don't miss any class. Okay, the schedule will be displayed over there. Then next is chromatin structure and function, the organization of chromosomes in prokaryote, eukaryote, chromatin types, centromere, telomere, concept of gene. These all will be discussed. Under biochemistry also, bioenergetics, glycolysis, TCA cycle, electron transport chain, ATP synthesis, very important topics these are. And even the protein, DNA, carbohydrate structure, okay, that is also very important. So you need to prepare all this. Biotechnology, under that you will get RDT, principles of gene cloning, then whatever applications you have in medicine, industry, agriculture, animal, plant, cell culture, or environmental biotechnology, mainly the ornamental subjects, applications, what you have, those will come under this unit. Again, you need to know the principle behind a particular technique, means a process. If it is gene cloning, then the process details and where you apply it, how you apply it, these things will be required. Microbiology, the diversity of microbes, bacterial reproduction, antimicrobial agents, significance of microbes in the industry, agriculture, and under this also little bit of immunology also comes. So vaccines, antigen antibody, complement systems, these are important topics. Viruses, environmental microbiology, right? These all will be covered. Molecular genetics. So this is mainly the genetics and bit of molecular biology part. So principles of inheritance, linkage, crossing over, the process details and the charts, everything concepts must be clear to you. Chromosomal aberrations, inheritance, extra chromosomal, and molecular biology topics like replication, transcription, translation, DNA repair, and population genetics. So we all have studied in undergraduate to some extent, but like whatever enzymes are there, what factors are involved, elongation factors, initiation factors. So every detail, because if you look at the questions when we discuss in the classes itself, after sessions we'll be discussing the classes. In the classes, you will get to know what is the type. Okay, they go into pretty much details. So you need to prepare very minutely. Plant sciences, yeah, photosynthesis, then the biogeochemical cycle, also angiosperm, vascular system, isn't it? Then economic importance of plants, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, all that. And animal science, yes, you have characteristic of invertebrates and vertebrates, anatomy and physiology of different systems of humans, nerve impulse transmission, endocrinology, human disease. Apoptosis cancer, it's again an important topic, inherited disease, and animal cell culture, right? So Arab, this will be recorded one will be there in the app. You can check it. Okay. And this is what is the syllabus which life science has. If you're appearing for PGQP 22, then this is what is the syllabus. 8 subunits are there. 4 over here and 4 over here. These are only this is only the syllabus. Okay? I don't have the option of sending you separately. You can check this video later for your reference, and also the detailed syllabus is also there on the QAT PG official website. If you go on syllabus, information bulletin is there, syllabus is there. So under syllabus, you will find life sciences. You can search with the paper code also in the particular page, and you can click on that to get the details. So here is the Telegram link once again. The one if somebody have missed it out, you are also invited to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because time and again we keep on releasing important updates. In fact, every day we send out important updates, and webinars are conducted time to time, sessions, some courses are taken. So all of you can just join these Telegram group and also the YouTube series to keep following the classes. And everyone, you please check on the schedule on Biotecnika website. Yes, Swagatika, even we are very excited to teach you the concepts of QAT PG exam so that all of you can clear, right? Rashmi, we are only dealing with life sciences over here. If you want the syllabus for the other papers, no, you can just visit the official website. There you will find all the details. No, Vishal. For zoology, you have a separate subject. Zoology separate. There you will get only zoology questions. But yes, from life science, if you clear this particular subject, then also you can get admission into zoology, MSc zoology. Did you get it, Vishal? It's not that to get admission in some university for MSc zoology, you have to appear specifically zoology paper. Not required. With life science also you can, if you clear, qualify, cutoff score, then also you can get admission in zoology. But yes, only in the 42 university lists which I mentioned. Okay. Yes. Nishant, Swagatika, yes, we are all excited to teach you, but you must not miss any classes, right? Because all these topics which we will talk about, they are very much important topics, right? So if you prepare them properly, then definitely you will be able to clear with little bit effort from your end also. So that's all from my end. If you have any questions, you can ask me, or else that's all for our intro session today. We will see you in the classes very soon. You can shoot any question if you have any doubt regarding the series or regarding the exam. Anyways, the main details I have already mentioned. You can check this video also later for, if you have missed any part, you can check this video later in app also. And even in YouTube also this video will be there. So later you can check it out. Okay, but classes you must attend live. Yes, you can get Nutan. JNU is a part of this exam. It's one of the participating university. So you can get admission in JNU through this QAT PG, but only for the subjects which JNU is opened the admission for. Okay. You will get the material from which we will be conducting the sessions, Himanshu. MSc Life Science after BSc Zoology. You can do that, Vishal, because when you are going for life sciences, your domains are increasing. So later you can have an option to choose your research subject from a lot of variety. It actually depends on your interest. If you are very much focused in zoology, then and you know that you want to proceed further in this career itself, then you go for MSc zoology. But then if you want to explore more subjects and explore more areas, then you can also go for MSc life science. That's why I'm saying, if you join the Telegram group and also you subscribe to our newsletter, so many notifications you get, so many recent research updates, some new findings, right? And constantly you will be in touch with these domain, this line of life sciences. So you can actually get benefited, right? We will try to cover the most important topics, Nikita. All the important topics of the syllabus will be covered, don't worry. Okay. Yes, we are also looking forward, Aishwarya. Glad that you people attended this session and you showed so much of interest. We wish all the participating candidates all the best. Okay, attend classes properly and definitely you will clear it. Okay. Yes, Vishal. Okay, students, then I'll end this session as of now, right? No fellowship, Jasnoor. There is no fellowship for this. It is only for the admission to these universities. Okay. It's a subject. Importance. Every subject has their own importance, Bindu. If you are opting for microbiology, then lot of fields can be opened from that. Okay. Yeah, it has high scope. Exactly. Okay, thank you everyone. You are in last sem of MSc Botany. I mean to say workshop, training, internship, or preparation of NET. So MSc Botany means, Himanshu, it will be better if you prepare for CSIR. From now itself, if you prepare for CSIR, our July coaching batch is starting very soon. You can inquire about that in our official phone number you will get on the website. They will give you all the details. Okay, Himanshu. What if one selected PGQP 22 but wanted to pursue zoology? No, because that subject, particular paper code, should be covering the university admission criteria. Like I showed you for PGQP 22, so many universities were there, right, which were taking admission. So like that for PG 22, you need to have that particular subject what you want to apply for, right? If it is not there under that paper code, then it won't be proper. For what, Shramalina? For your MSc? Again, it depends on your personal choice. I will not be able to comment on that. It is on your personal choice and your interest as well, what you perform better. Okay. Scope of both are equally good. Biotechnology also, bioinformatics also. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining in. I'll see you in next classes. Do check the schedule for class timetable. Good night, everyone. Bye.